right, finishing the quiz review. We're on number 11. Number 11, we have to first distribute this negative sign. Distribute to the x gives me a negative 1x. Distribute to the 4 gives me a minus 4. On the other side, we distribute the 5. 5 times x, 5x. 5 times 3, and then the minus sign comes down, 15. All right, and then we subtract 5x from both sides. That gives us a negative 6x minus 4 equals, they cancel out, negative 15. And then we add 4. They cancel out, gives me a negative 6x equals negative 11. And then we just divide by negative 6, divide by negative 6, and we get x equals, negative divided by negative is positive, and 11 over 6 doesn't reduce, so you can just leave it as the answer, 11 over 6. So x equals 11 over 6. All right, and then number 12. Number 12, with one with fractions in it. So the first thing we're going to do is get rid of these fractions. And again, you get rid of the fractions by multiplying everything by a common denominator. Common denominator here would be 20. All right, again, common denominator is a number that all the numbers in the bottom will divide into evenly. So multiply everything here by 20. So 20 times 1/4 is 5x. 20 times 2/5, well, the 20 becomes a 4, multiply it by 2, that's 8, so plus 8. Then multiply the 20 times 1/5, well, 1/5 of 20 is 4, so it's 4x. And then 20 times 1 is 20. And now we don't have any more fractions. So all I have to do is subtract 4x. Leaves me with x plus 8 equals negative 20. Don't forget that negative sign in front of that. That all comes down together. And then subtract 8. And we get x equals negative 28. All right, and that takes us to the word problems. All right, each day you exercise at the fitness center for 2 hours. You lift weights and do aerobics during each visit. You spend 30 minutes. Today you spend 30 minutes doing aerobics. If you spend 9 minutes on each weightlifting machine, how many machines did you use? All right, so let's see. We have 9 minutes at each, so that's going to be 9 times x, plus you spent 30 minutes doing aerobics, and then the total time you were there was 2 hours, but we got to change that into minutes since this one's in minutes. So we got to do 2 times 60, which gives us 120. All right, and that's our equation. So then we just have to solve that. So we subtract 30. Gives us 9x equals 90. We divide by 9. And we get x equals 10. So I used 10 machines. All right, and we're not going to do this last one. All right, we're not going to do this last one. We're going to end it right there. Okay?